probably edit that out, but I won't because I don't feel like it. Anyway, this is the weekly What's New. Let's see, what's new? I haven't been in the garage all week because basically I've been working on a house, doing electrical, installed some puck lights, I think they're called, LED puck lights. And I found out, like, when you're doing like, I'm not an expert, but before I installed them, it just so happened we bought a whole bunch. My wife didn't want it's a big room, and so I had to put a lot of lights because we wanted. I said, look, it's a lot of lights. There's gonna be a lot of little light bulbs sticking out. So, how far apart you want them? And it's a standard height ceiling. It's not a 10-foot ceiling, so you can't like get wider beam. So, I put some lights in there for now just to run the wires to get all the lights. And then my wife's like, well, maybe I want a room with, like, like a little dome lights or something. So we went and looked, and the LED lights are flat, which is pretty cool. They're easy to install. They're not a big deal, but I didn't know how to install them because I've never installed LED lights, because when I did my house, it was just screwing bulbs or fixture things. So I just so happened the next day after working on them, one of the electricians shows up to my store and says, yeah, just whatever, but I went out and I picked up a what do you call it, metal plate, because there's an installation plate for new construction and old construction. You gotta just drill a hole through the ceiling. They're pretty easy. So older construction, they're pretty simple. Newer construction is you gotta figure out, line them all up and shit. So or we put on the ceiling and then drill the holes where we want them and then just snap them in place and go up in the ceiling and run the lights, provided you have access. So that's what I've been doing. Other than that, I haven't really messed around the garage at all. I was trying to get in here to do some welding, but I haven't had time. It's like too nice out. I've been hanging out with the kids. And I'm going to probably miss my opportunity because it's nice out to weld. I have to get this bike out of the way and weld one bolt, tap it, and send it out so I can fix the rack on the bike. But if you stay with me, you'll see the video of me. I got some parts in for the bike. Other than that, it's not a whole big deal this week. I got some welding on the agenda, some more bike work. I got something for my milling machine, so I'm going to probably fire that up and see what I can do with it. Not much really. Same crap. Working house, working my store, get some stuff for the bikes, and sell some things and make some more money. So with that said, if you're new to my channel, come like, subscribe. Tell me how you like my messy background. I know my garage I got a comment that my garage is a cluster F. I know, it's a mess. But you know what? It's my mess, and I'm enjoying it. So it's all that matters. I will clean up some of the stuff eventually, but I was supposed to be moving, clean up then, and then I'm not moving. So we'll see. I think when I got to build next month, those little tiny mosquitoes here. They came out this month, and they're like worse than the big ones. So, but anyway, next month or later this month or a couple of weeks, I'm building a shed just to put one of the bikes in, a couple of snow blowers, the usual garden shed. So I might put this bike in the shed and the other one in the shed and see where that goes. So I have some more room to move stuff around. So with that said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how you like the channel.